Welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to add and set up a contact form on your WordPress website. Here I am inside of my WP admin dashboard. Click on Plugins, Add New. We're going to be adding a contact form plugin called Contact Form 7. Just do a search for Contact Form 7 here and you will see Contact Form 7 right here. Click on Install Now and then activate once it's done. Okay, once it's activated, you will see in the sidebar here a contact menu. Click on Contact Forms. So here we see a default contact form 1 already created. Now we can edit it if we want to. This form will contain a name, label, and field for people to fill out their name and email, the subject and the message body, and a button to send. And that's pretty much all you need for most users. And if you need to edit and customize the form, you can click here for more information on how to add other things like checkbox, radio buttons. Now let's click on the mail. So anytime a visitor submits the form, you will get this email right here. It will be sent to your email, whatever you put here, and the from email will be again whatever you want to put right here. And in the message body, it will include the visitor's name, message, email, and then you can reply directly to them. And the next option is messages, and you can customize these messages. So after the visitor successfully send the message, and the visitor will then see this: thank you for your message, it has been sent. So that's the confirmation. And if there's an error, it will say there was an error, and you can fill out these others if you want, but you can just leave it as default. Additional settings, and again, it's more advanced features. So basically the contact form is already set up and ready to go. You don't need to mess around with any settings. So just copy this shortcode right here and then add it to a contact page. So pages, add new. So if you're using the Gutenberg editor, this is what it looks like. If you're using the classic editor, adding a contact form is the exact same way. So first, let's create a title, and now enter in some text for the page. So a message like this is fine. And now we right click and paste in our shortcode, and when you paste in the contact form shortcode, it will be surrounded by this shortcode box right here. So in the Gutenberg editor, that's what you will see. In the classic editor, you won't be seeing this box, but it doesn't matter, it still works. Now let's go to publish and publish again. Page publish. Let's view the page, and there you have it, contact us. And here's our contact form, just like that, and the send button. And you might want to test it out and see if it works. Okay, thanks so much. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks again, and until next time, happy blogging.